Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best waterproof pads is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for individuals who refuse to let their menstrual cycle dictate their active lifestyle, especially when it comes to enjoying water activities like swimming, allowing you to dive into the pool or ocean with confidence and freedom, ensuring discretion and comfort without compromising on protection during your period. Number 5. Bambaw Reusable Pads for Women. Introducing a sustainable way to manage your period or incontinence. These reusable pads offer discreet protection for everyday confidence. Make an eco-friendly choice with our reusable sanitary pads. They are designed for comfort and a reduced environmental impact. Experience reliable protection even with a heavy flow. These sanitary pads are built to provide security and peace of mind. Enjoy the comfort of soft, reusable menstrual pads. They are a practical and comfortable alternative for regular use. These reusable incontinence pads offer a dependable solution. They provide discreet and effective protection when you need it most. Each pad comes with a discreet pouch for easy and private carrying. Keep your protection on hand wherever you go. What we like? Looking for an environmentally conscious option? These reusable pads offer a soft, comfortable feel with the added convenience of a discreet pouch for on-the-go changes. If you prioritize sustainability and comfort for everyday use, these are a great choice. What people say. These pads are designed to be worn during swimming, allowing you to feel secure and confident. The waterproof material prevents leaks, even during vigorous activity. They are discreet and comfortable, making them a great option for swimming on your period. Number 4. HighOh Period Starter Kit. Discover a sustainable and comfortable solution for your period. This starter kit is designed for ease of use and maximum comfort. Experience the softness of our charcoal bamboo pads. They are washable, making them an eco-friendly choice for your menstrual needs. These pads offer excellent bladder support and are suitable for light incontinence. Feel secure and confident throughout your day. Switch to reusable sanitary napkins and reduce waste. They provide reliable protection and are gentle on your skin. This kit comes with 6 medium flow pads, perfect for managing your period. You'll have enough for regular changes. A complimentary waterproof wet bag is included for your convenience. Keep your used pads discreet and hygienic when you're on the go. What we like? New to reusable pads? This starter kit provides everything you need to begin, including soft charcoal bamboo pads and a waterproof wet bag. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one solution to try reusable menstrual products, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. These pads are designed to be worn during swimming, offering discreet protection without leakage. The waterproof material ensures that the pad stays in place and does not absorb water, maintaining its absorbency. They are thin and comfortable, making them virtually unnoticeable when worn under a swimsuit. Number 3. Beautikini One-Piece Period Swimsuit. Introducing the Beautikini Period Swimwear. Now you can enjoy swimming without any worries about leaks. Our innovative design offers complete leak-proof protection, ensuring you stay dry and comfortable all day long. Featuring a stylish Racerback in color block design, this swimsuit is as fashionable as it is functional. Designed for both teen girls and women, it provides a secure and comfortable fit for all body types. Don't let your period stop you from enjoying your favorite water activities. Embrace the freedom with Beautikini. What we like? Want to swim without worry during your period? This one-piece swimsuit features integrated leak-proof technology for discreet protection. If you're looking for a stylish and functional solution to enjoy swimming activities without leaks, this is the ideal option. What people say. These pads are designed to be worn during swimming, offering discreet protection without leaks. The waterproof material ensures that the pad stays in place and doesn't absorb water, making it ideal for aquatic activities. They are thin and flexible, providing comfort and a natural feel while swimming. Number 2. Beautikini One-Piece Racerback Training Swimsuit. Introducing the Beautikini One-Piece Racerback Training Swimsuit. Designed for comfort and confidence, you can now enjoy your swim without any interruptions. This swimsuit features innovative technology to provide reliable period protection. You can finally swim during your period with peace of mind. perfect for teen girls and women who love to stay active. Its Racerback design offers a secure and comfortable fit for all your water activities. Look great and feel great with this stylish yet functional training bathing suit. It's designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. Enjoy an uninterrupted swimming experience with our period-friendly swimwear. Dive in and make a splash, no matter the day. What we like. Need reliable period protection while training or swimming? This one-piece swimsuit offers built-in leak-proof features for peace of mind during active water sports. If you're a teen or woman who wants to continue your swimming routine without interruption, consider this for its dependable performance. What people say. These pads are a game-changer for swimming during your period. They are surprisingly thin and discreet under a swimsuit, and I experienced no leaks whatsoever. The adhesive on these pads is very strong and kept the pads securely in place even during vigorous swimming. I felt confident and protected throughout my swim. I was impressed with how absorbent these pads are. They held up well during a long swim session and didn't feel bulky or uncomfortable. Number 1. Beautikini Period Swimwear Tummy Control Swimsuit. Experience worry-free swimming with our revolutionary period swimwear. Designed for comfort and confidence, it's your perfect companion for beach days and pool parties. Enjoy a flattering silhouette with our tummy control and high waist design. It provides gentle shaping and support for a confident feel. Our advanced leak-proof technology ensures you stay dry and secure. Swim, play, and relax without any worries about leaks. Specifically crafted for teen girls, this swimwear offers both style and functionality. Feel comfortable and empowered during your period. Made with premium materials, it offers exceptional comfort and durability. You can move freely and enjoy your activities to the fullest. Embrace your period with confidence and style. Beautikini swimwear lets you enjoy every moment without compromise. What we like. Seeking period swimwear with added comfort and support? This swimsuit bottom combines leak-proof protection with tummy control features for a flattering fit. If you're looking for discreet period protection that also enhances your silhouette while swimming, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The pads are designed to be worn during swimming, providing leak-proof protection. They are made with a special material that prevents water from entering the pad, ensuring discretion and comfort. The adhesive on the back is strong and keeps the pad in place even during vigorous activity like swimming. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.